Now that we understand margins, paddings, and borders, let's talk about a quicker way to define their values. If we write just one value, it applies to all four sides. And we can also define each side separately. For example, margin top, 100 pixels, or margin left, and so on. Instead of writing separate values for each side, we can shorthand them using a single line of CSS. For example, padding 30 pixels and 100 pixels. With two values, the first applies to the top and bottom, and the second to left and right. Let's make border sides vary in width. Border width 5 pixels, 10 pixels, and 15 pixels. Using three values, we specify top, left and right, and then bottom. When we use four values, they follow the clockwise order. Border width 5 pixels, 10 pixels, 15 pixels, and 30 pixels. Think of it as moving clockwise around the element, starting at the top and moving right, down to the bottom, and then left.